Hello everyone and welcome to NDN House. Today, we're sharing some tips on how to choose the perfect shower glass for your bathroom. Are you ready to upgrade your bathroom? A new glass shower is a great way to refresh the space and enhance your relaxation. But where should you start in this process? There are so many things to consider when choosing the right glass shower, from your personal style, budget, to the variety of options available. Here are the things you should consider when selecting the perfect shower glass for your bathroom. Consider your renovation budget. With any home improvement project, the first thing you need to think about is budget. And this is no different when choosing shower glass. Shower glass comes in many shapes, sizes, and styles. Before anything else, you need to know how much you're willing to spend. Besides the cost of the glass itself, you'll also need to account for installation costs. Labor costs can vary depending on the complexity of the installation and the geographical area where you live. Think about your bathroom space. Ask yourself, will changing the placement of your bathroom fixtures help improve functionality and convenience? Shower glass often comes in fixed sizes, so you need to carefully choose the right one that fits your space. If you're happy with your current bathroom layout, there are many different glass options that will fit without needing to move other fixtures. This can save both time and money. Consider your decor style. With hundreds of different designs, there's a lot to choose from when looking for the right shower glass. For example, you can opt for unique shapes like curved, half moon, or square. This will help highlight the bathroom design and showcase your personal style. Besides the aesthetic, installing or upgrading your glass shower can also increase natural light in the space. Think about the type of glass. Beyond the design, there are plenty of options when it comes to glass material. First, you should know that all shower doors must be made of safety glass, and tempered glass is the most common choice. When tempered glass breaks, it shatters into small pieces instead of sharp shards. This helps reduce the risk of injury. Glass can also come in many textures, patterns, and colors like frosted glass, which ensures privacy, or unique decorative designs. Depending on the level of privacy you want, you can choose from clear glass, sleek, modern, and makes the space appear larger. Frosted or patterned glass offers privacy while adding visual appeal. Tinted or reflective glass adds a luxurious, elegant feel and complements the overall bathroom design. Shower door style. When it comes to door styles, there are a lot of options depending on your space and personal preference. Hinge door requires enough space to swing open. Sliding door, ideal for smaller bathrooms. Bifold door, convenient for very tight spaces. Walk-in shower offers an open, spacious feel and fits with modern minimalist designs. Choose the door style that fits the bathroom size, design style, and your daily needs. Frame materials and finishes. Shower glass frames can be made from powder-coated aluminum, lightweight, durable, and rust-resistant. Stainless steel, strong, shiny, and luxurious. Frameless, modern, minimalist, and easy to clean. Finish options include polished chrome, matte black, brushed gold, or other modern colors. Choosing the right materials will ensure the longevity, aesthetic appeal, and ease of maintenance for your bathroom. Extra features and accessories. Some modern shower glass options come with the following features: water-repellent coatings or limescale-resistant treatments to keep your glass sparkling clean. Integrated towel bars for added convenience. Self-closing hinges or soft-close systems for smooth and safe door operation. These features not only improve functionality but also enhance the aesthetic value of your bathroom. Bathroom size and type. Choosing shower glass that suits your bathroom style is important. Here are a few tips. Small bathrooms. You can opt for sliding or bifold doors to save space and create a more open feel. Large bathrooms. You can go for a large glass panel or hinged doors for a spacious, luxurious look. Open plan bathrooms. Frameless or fixed glass can give your space a seamless and minimalist look. Installation and maintenance. When installing your shower glass, you need to focus on proper installation techniques and maintenance. Ensure a secure installation to avoid issues like misaligned doors. Regularly check for signs of rust or damage to maintain safety. Clean your glass regularly to prevent soap scum and limescale buildup while maintaining its beauty. Choosing shower glass within your budget. Choosing shower glass within your budget is essential. Consider not only the cost of the glass itself, but also installation and future maintenance costs. Shower glass prices can vary greatly based on material, design, and additional features. If you're on a budget, you can opt for basic glass or aluminum frames to save costs. For a high-end budget, consider frameless glass with stainless steel or tempered glass for a luxurious look. Bathroom design style. Your bathroom's design style will impact your choice of shower glass. For example, modern style. Frameless glass with clear or light-tinted glass works best. Classic style. Brass or polished chrome frames will complement traditional bathrooms. Minimalist style. Sliding or bifold doors help optimize space while keeping the look simple. Conclusion. When choosing shower glass for your bathroom, consider factors like budget, style, functionality, and overall bathroom design. These elements will help you find the perfect combination that brings both luxury and practicality to your bathroom. Remember, choosing the right shower glass enhances your bathroom's aesthetic while ensuring safety and convenience for daily use. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement ideas. See you in our next video.